Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Welcome back to Just Shake or Stir. My name is Georgi and today it's another day for a good cocktail. Yes, it's Thursday and it's time to make something nice and easy for you for the weekend. Now, first of all, let's clarify something. Apologies from me, like a great apologies for not having a Monday dram this month. As many of you know, and if you're new to the channel you probably don't, or you may miss, I start new job in a very kind of a nice new bar, okay? I start work in a Michelin star hotel with a fantastic bar and restaurant and a very busy place. So recently we've been extremely busy and I'm trying to adjust myself to the new schedule, which is kind of a bump with my daily routines, and I couldn't kind of figure out how to do the recordings for Monday dram and the Thursday videos. Everything is coming to place now, so from February it's gonna be back, okay? Monday dram is coming back, it's not going anywhere. And to make it even harder on me, I'm gonna introduce something new from March. But for now, let's talk about the cocktail today. Today it's something very simple, easy, 3 ingredients cocktail, and it's with a sake. Yes, we did a new sake on this channel at all, and it's time to change this in 2022. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget there's a subscribe button down there. You can click the small bell to get notified for every Monday dram and Thursday cocktail video. And if you're ready, let's see what we need for today's cocktail, and most important, let me show you what we're gonna make. Okay, today we're taking on the world famous classic Sidecar. Yes, if you ever had a Sidecar, you know what I'm talking about. If you never had, just a quick lesson for you. It's a basically Cognac or Brandy, orange liqueur and a lemon juice in one glass. Yeah, made in a nice balanced cocktail. Very nice and easy. And from there you can take the base structure of the Sidecar and make your own Sidecar with anything. I've already did on the channel some with gin, which is taking exactly the idea of the Sidecar but replacing the Cognac with gin. So if you're interested in variation with gin, make sure you check the card here. But today it's gonna be different, so let me show you what is the ingredients. The first ingredient is Apricot Brandy Liqueur. I'm using G-Fart Apricot Brandy Liqueur. Of course, feel free to use the available for you, the Kuiper, Bose, Marie Brizard, whatever you have, Briotet, it doesn't matter, but get an Apricot Brandy Liqueur, okay? Second, of course, this is our hero of the cocktail. This is the sake, and today I'm using Akshi-Tai. Now, let me move this bottle away. Akshi-Tai, it's a fantastic sake, and they make also a wonderful plum wine. So if you're on the market, or if you look around online, make sure you grab a bottle. So the Akshi-Tai Sake, it's a medium bodied with a hint of green melon, apple, lychee and lily blossom. It complements hot or cold dishes, and it's more on the dry side. Once you open it, keep it in the dry, cool place like your fridge is the best, and if possible consume in 2 weeks. Yeah, do not let the sake to stay long time open. Yeah, enjoy it. It's a low ABV, 17% only ABV. It's a fantastic just to accompany on its own with your lovely dinner, okay? Or in this case we're doing a lovely Sidecar riff. And a final ingredient, of course, we have the lemon juice. So you wonder probably how it's called a cocktail. Well, it's called Sumo in a Sidecar. What a name. I'm wondering why. I'm really wondering why it's called Sumo in the Sidecar. Can you guess? I don't know. I gotta think about it. But if you're ready, boys and girls, let's build the cocktail. So for this cocktail you're gonna need a shaker, a very simple 3 ingredients. We have to shake it and we're gonna double strain. The reason why is because you have fresh lemon juice. Now if you use something like a supplement to the fresh lemon juice, which you can do if you want to make it clear, you can just stir the cocktail, and also it's going to be a little bit more stronger. However, we're using brandy, apricot and sake. It's a very low ABV cocktail. It's still fantastic to enjoy any time of the day. Okay, so let's start building. First of all, we need 30 ml or 1 ounce of our lovely apricot brandy. Then you need a sake, which is 75 ml, which we're going here for 2.5 ounces. So we're gonna drop one, and then another 25 on the other side. As I mentioned earlier, it's only 17 ABV, so don't stress out. You're having a very low ABV cocktail. For example, the liqueur which I'm using, it's only 25%, so you don't have too much in this glass, okay? And finally, 15 ml or a half ounce of a freshly squeezed lemon juice, yeah? When I say freshly squeezed, I mean freshly squeezed, alright? So this is it. I'm gonna grab one big cube of ice. Use any ice you want. I've got a new mold, which is really nice. I'm just gonna shake with one big cube of ice. That's all it is. I need another shaker. And give it a good shake for around 10-15 seconds. Brilliant. There we go. Now, if you can, put your glass in the freezer. I totally forgot. So yeah, I did. It happens sometime, okay? Don't judge me. So I'm gonna grab directly from my rack a lovely martini glass. I need a strainer and I need a fine sieve so we can do a double strain, because some of the ice is gonna be broken in small pieces and we don't want any of this in the cocktail. And there we go. Double strain, all on the side. And finally, I'm already have my lemon zest peel. In some recipes, if you see it around the internet, it says garnish with the orange zest. To be honest, it doesn't even need any garnish, but just for kind of a entertainment purpose, you can garnish it with a small lemon zest or orange peel on the top and just let it float. And this is it, boys and girls. This is the Sumo in a sidecar, taking the basics of the sidecar, which is cognac, orange liqueur and a lemon juice, but in this case it's replacing the cognac and brandy with a apricot brandy liqueur. The contro or the orange liqueur is replaced by a sake, and finally the lemon juice is a lemon juice. So let's give it a try. Ooh. Seriously, you gotta try this. Oh my gosh. I never made it, okay? Never. That's the first time I'm making this cocktail and first time I'm trying. Oh my gosh, this is just fresh from the lemon. Wonderful apricot taste coming from the brandy liqueur. And tropical, lychee, melon, you know, all these flavors coming from the lovely sake. Is just, boys and girls, this is like a spring and summer in a glass. And I know it's still winter, but we're looking forward to a good weather, and this is a good start to kind of prepare yourself for the upcoming spring. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy that, definitely. Oh my gosh, so good. So boys and girls, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, don't be shy. And I'll see you next time on a Monday dram or a Thursday cocktail video. And by the way, next Monday I'll be in London attending the 50 top bars in UK ceremony. So I may do a little kind of a coverage on Instagram or here in the community tab. So yeah, I'll decide. But until then, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye. I better do picture before I finish that. Fantastic.